Hi there, Year 10s. We're going to quickly look at square roots in algebra. And so I've got a question here asking us to simplify the square root of 64x to the power of 10. So it looks a bit ominous, but actually it's not too bad. Now it turns out that if you have a square root of something, it's the same as taking that thing to a power of a half. And that's what we're going to use here. So we'll write out the question, because that's what I've been asking you to do for everything so far. So we'll write out the question. And then what we'll do is we'll write the stuff inside the square root in a set of brackets, and we'll write a power of half instead. Okay? And the reason why we can do that is because then we can apply the power of a half to the number part and also to the algebra part. So applying it to the number part, we'll write 64 to the power of a half, and then we'll write x to the power of 10, and we'll take that to the power of a half. Okay, for 64 to the power of a half, we'll use our calculator for that. So we'll go 64, and then power of button is that chevron button there, so you need to find the equivalent on your calculator. And then a half, I will put a half in brackets so our calculator knows what it's doing here. And so we'll press equals, and that gives us 8. So the square root of 64 is 8. So we'll write 8. And then we'll write x, and we'll remember that when we take powers of powers, we multiply those powers together, and 10 times a half is 5, so 8x to the power of 5 is how we simplify that. Okay, so have a go at exercise 8.08, and like always, skip through if you're finding them a little bit too easy.